Airofit is the world's first and only smart breathing trainer. It basically compromises of your Airofit trainer, your Airofit breathing trainer, that integrates to your Airofit app on your mobile device. The Airofit app has been created and designed by some of the world's leading breathing experts and pulmonologists. So Airofit, together with these breathing experts and pulmonologists, have developed a range of breathing exercises and protocols that focus on your different areas of breathing to help you and assist you unlock your full physical potential, whether it be sports performance or general well-being. A single sportsman out there is looking to gain that competitive edge by either becoming faster, improve on their endurance or their fatigue levels, and overall just become a better athlete or sports person, as well as the general well-being side of the Airofit app, which is absolutely phenomenal, helping people that are suffering with lung diseases or ailments such as COPD, asthma, that are struggling long COVID. And then you've got the other side of the general well-being, which is, we live in a stressful society and stressful lifestyle. We've got the general well-being that focuses on stress, anxiety, mindfulness, relaxation, revitalization, and sleep as well, which is obviously a big part of recovery for both sports people as well as people looking to improve their general well-being. So a little bit about how the actual Airofit device works. You train with your Airofit device separate from any form of physical activity, anything between 5 and 10 minutes a day. It's resistance breathing for your respiratory muscles, which is obviously your lungs, your intercostal muscles, your diaphragm. By adding resistance to your breathing, you're able to strengthen these muscles, and Airofit allows you or gives you tailor-made breathing exercises for each individual and their specific focus areas, whether it be the sports side of things, running, swimming, cycling, triathlete, CrossFit, or the general well-being side of things, stress, anxiety, COPD, asthma, sleep. I'm going to do today's training session. Your daily training routine will always start with a lung test and then move on to your 2 or possibly 3 exercises that you'll need to do every day. So let me give you a bit of a show of how it's done. It shows you what resistance levels you need to be on for each and every exercise. Your lung test needs to be on F6, which is the most difficult inhale and exhale resistance levels. And I'll give you a little bit of a show. That is your lung test completed, and now that will give you statistics on your lung capacity, your inhale and exhale strength, and that you'll obviously be able to compare from the first day of training with Airofit. I've been training with it for 2 years, so I've got plenty of statistics and data to compare. Now I'll do my breathing exercises. My first exercise for today is square breathing. On intermediate level, you'll change your dials to what it recommends, D4, and I'll start my breathing training for today.